Welcome. If you want to find and manage sound settings in your HUAWEI MatePad 11, open the settings. Next, go for sounds and vibration. And as you can see at the first, we can change sound mode, so we can go for the sound, vibration or silent. We can also enter for the do not disturb mode. We can set it up and then turn it on. In this place, we are able to adjust volume level of notifications, alarms, and then music, videos, and games by moving these sliders. Just like that. In this place, we can change the volume button control, so we can control media or ringtone. We can change notification sound. In the more settings, we can find the startup sound, screen lock, screenshot or screen touch. We can enable and disable by tapping on switchers, and we can also find vibrate on ringing and system haptics. So that's all. If you will find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.